Let's say you are visiting your banking website. What is the chance that you are connected to your actual bank and not some bad person? Well, almost certain because of something called transport layer security. And one of its parts is verifying the ownership of the domain name. Before understanding that, I want you to know about the public key encryption method. Public key encryption contains a public key and a private key. They are inverses of each other, meaning one can only be used to encrypt and the other can be used to decrypt. The public key is meant to be shared with the public, and the private key is to be kept private. Now, to verify the ownership of the domain, the server sends a certificate which contains a lot of information, and two of them are the public key of the server and a certificate signature. This signature is signed by a third-party certificate authority, which is trusted by both the server and the browser. There are actually a few of them. What they do is they hash the entire certificate data, basically a cryptographic summary. They too have a private and public key, so they encrypt the hash using their private key. And their public key is known by the browser. When the browser receives the certificate, it decrypts the signature with the public key of the certificate authority and gets the certificate hash. It then generates the hash of the certificate and matches it. If both match, we know the certificate is valid. But to be sure that the owner is actually sending the certificate, the browser sends a random challenge, let's say a random number, and asks the server to encrypt it. Then the browser decrypts it using the public key. If the server can do these two steps successfully, we can be sure that the server is the owner of the domain and we can do the rest of the communications.